Hello everyone, as you can see I'm standing at the front of the Hahndorf Market. Now Hahndorf Walking Tours is taking an exclusive group of 10 people into the market and some very special places just around the market here to talk about Hahndorf, but also, and more importantly in one regard, is the precious Palmas. Now AJ Palma, well known as AJ, he's going to be taking on a little exclusive tour inside the market. The Palmas have been in South Australia since 1968 and they have got an amazing story to share with you. Agriculture in this area was extremely important, and of course the colony has always relied on getting good food into the ground. So check out that special event Saturday, August the 22nd, starting at 9:30 with a free cup of coffee included, of course, and I'd love to have you along. Check out my Facebook or give me a ring on 0477 288 011 to book. Bye. Well, it's always great being here at the Hahndorf Market, and here I am with someone very special. Can you tell folks who you are and your involvement here?
So my name's AJ Palma. Most people know me as AJ. So I'm one of the managing directors here at the Hahndorf Market and have been for quite some time. I came back to the business back in 2008 and have been here ever since. And since then I've been slowly working up through the roles of working on the shop floor up until becoming a manager director.
So when did the Palma family become involved in agriculture?
Yeah, it began back in Italy. There's a region or a province called San Giorgio where my family's from, and they grew produce on their very small farm, and they brought some of those growing skills back here to Hahndorf.
Now AJ, a lot has changed over the years, so what can visitors expect now when they come to the market?
The Hahndorf Market's changed quite significantly over the last decade. Originally we've just been a fruit and veg shop, simple fruit and veg shop, and slowly we've grown to bringing in gourmet goodies from all sorts of places, locally made treasures, to a very boutique gourmet sort of style store that caters not just your fruit and veg, but all the way through to your grocery lines, your everyday lines, and even goods that we make here on site.